Searching for a new job can feel like navigating a labyrinth filled with obstacles and uncertainty. In today's job market, with intense competition and remote work dynamics, things are more challenging than ever. The Great Resignation has changed the landscape, making your resume an essential key to unlocking opportunities. A compelling resume doesn't just present your experience, it tells your story and highlights your worth to employers. It's your first impression and crucial in differentiating you from countless other applicants vying for attention. An effective resume transforms your job search, while an ineffective one might lead to endless frustration. Creating a standout resume can feel daunting, but following a systematic guide can simplify the process immensely. Think of your resume as a professional highlight reel, showcasing your journey in a succinct and impactful manner. Understanding which resume layout works for you is pivotal. Choose wisely between chronological, functional, and combination styles. A chronological layout emphasizes your work history, while functional focuses on skills for those changing careers. The combination layout offers the best of both worlds, allowing you to tailor your presentation to each opportunity. As you prepare your resume, knowing how to catch a recruiter's eye in seconds is your secret weapon. Did you know recruiters spend an average of just 6 seconds reviewing each resume they receive? Being succinct and relevant is imperative to passing the critical 7-second test during their first glance. Optimization is key. Most large corporations rely on applicant tracking software to filter resumes before humans review them. Understanding what applicant tracking systems do will help you tailor your resume to make it more visible. Before you start writing, take a moment to clarify your career goals. Focus is essential for building an impactful resume. Employers appreciate clarity. Stating your desired job title right at the top sets the tone for your qualifications. Study the job description to create content that resonates with the employer's needs and presents you as the solution. Imagine the ideal candidate for the role and mold your resume to reflect that vision effectively. Having a dedicated master resume allows you to tailor your application to each job without starting from scratch. As you compile your resume, ensure each section is meticulously crafted, from the header to optional fields. Your name should shine prominently at the top, make it visually engaging and professional to leave a strong first impression. An introduction or summary should encapsulate your value, drawing the reader in without overemphasizing your status. Each job experience listed on your resume should highlight accomplishments that demonstrate your impact, not just duties performed. Quantifying achievements with specific numbers creates a strong narrative that grabs attention and builds credibility. Asking yourself reflective questions can help you craft compelling accomplishment statements that truly stand out. When writing your education section, be concise and focus on the most relevant accomplishments. The skills section should align with the job description, showcasing what you offer in relation to the employer's needs. Don't shy away from including unique experiences or extracurriculars that present a well-rounded image of you. Prepare to adapt your resume for various applications, as each role may require distinct emphasis on different skills. Remember, every resume you send is a chance to tell your unique story and connect with potential employers.